Hello everyone, my name is Huajie Yu from China. I'm currently studying interior design at Chelsea College of Arts, University of Arts London. My main focus is finding a balance between artistic expansion and public needs. I believe interior design is not only about organizing space, and also about how it can invoke emotions and connect people with the rapid growth of AI, and also exploring how design and technology can work together in the future. Now, I will briefly introduce my 4 projects. Project 1, The Sound of Childhood Memories. This project is inspired by my childhood in Suzhou. I wanted to bring back the peaceful and fair feeling that many people miss in today's stressful life and create a space that reminds them of the purity of childhood. Project 2, City Rest Stop Coffee. This coffee was designed as a pause point in a busy city. It includes 3 areas: a short zone, a quiet semi-private zone, and a small social zone, giving visitors a calm space to relax during the day. Project 3, Travel and Communication Space. This space is for young people who want to find travel partners using 3 climate zones: tropical, temperate, and polar. I created 3 different communication environments that help people meet others with similar interests. Project 4, Funeral Home in an Abandoned Power Plant. This project explores life and death by redesigning an old power plant into a funeral home. I hope to help visitors reflect on lost, cherished, and present, and face death with more courage and understanding. In the future, I hope to enhance my conceptual thinking and explore public space and social design, learning how design can truly promote communication and empathy. Thank you.